Want to change display name on Roblox but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to change display name on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on the More button from the bottom right corner. Then click on the Settings button. After that, tap on the Account Info button to go to your account details. Now tap on the pencil icon beside your display name. After that, enter the new display name. Your display name can be only changed once every 7 days. So if you're sure, tap on the Save button. And that's how you can change display name on Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.